very scoring topic, classification of kingdom fungi of biological classification, class 11 biology. This is very important topic, and so many questions have been asked in the competitive examination, just like the NEET, etc. So let us go through the classification of fungi. Kingdom fungi generally classified into 5 classes, that is class Oomycetes or Oomycota, Phycomycetes, Phycomycota, Ascomycetes or Ascomycota, Basidiomycetes or Basidiomycota, and Deuteromycetes or Deuteromycota. So let us go through each by each along with the characteristic features of each classes. So first of all, class Oomycetes. In this class, fungi have cenocytic, that is a multinucleated cytoplasmic mass surrounded by single cell wall. This is the meaning of cenocytic. That is multinucleated cytoplasmic mass surrounded or encircled by the single cell wall. Aseptate and multinucleate mycelia. Mycelia are the basis of the fungi through which they attach to the substratum. Now, aseptate means without septum and multinucleated many nuclei. Mostly parasites which produce haustoria for nutrition from the host. Haustoria are the rhizoids-like structure which penetrate inside the substratum or host. And few are saprotrophs, that is they derive their food from dead organic matter. Asexual reproduction by zoospores or aplanospores. Sexual reproduction either by gametic fusion in syncytium, that is isogamous type of the gametes are formed, or allomyces, anisogamous type of gametes are formed. Isogamous, same kind of gametes, similar. These are morphologically similar. Anisogamous, different kind of gametes. Or by gametangial contact, as in the albugo and phytophthora, etc. So these are the example of class Oomycetes. Now, second class Phycomycetes. These fungi found in aquatic habitats, decaying wood in moist and damp places, or as obligate parasites. What is the meaning of obligate? Obligate means the parasite which can't complete its life cycle without exploiting a suitable host. It means it requires a suitable host, और बिना suitable host के इनका life cycle पूर्ण नहीं हो सकता. So such kind of parasites are known as obligate parasites. On plants, तो ये plants के ऊपर obligate parasites होते हैं. Mycelium is aseptate, cenocytic, asexual reproduction by motile zoospores or by non-motile aplanospores, endogenously produced in sporangium, यानी कि sporangium के अंदर spores produce होते हैं, बनते हैं. For example, mucor and rhizopus. Rhizopus is also known as bread mold, and mucor grow on the dung, etc. Now, Ascomycetes, or also known as sac fungi. This is very important 1 mark question. Which group or which class of fungi is known as sac fungi? That is class Ascomycetes or Ascomycota. Now, these are mostly multicellular, but just like the penicillium. Rarely unicellular, just like the yeast, and also known as Saccharomyces. So yeast is also known as Saccharomyces, or another name of yeast is the Saccharomyces. So biological name of yeast is the Saccharomyces. Saprotrophic decomposers, that is can derive their food from dead organic matter. Parasitic or coprophillous, that is growing on dung. Mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual spores are conidia produced exogenously, means outside of the body. Endogenously inside of the body, while exogenously means outside the body. In conidiophores, Conidia on germination produced mycelium. Sexual spores are called as ascospores produced endogenously in sac-like asci. इस कारण इनका नाम होता है sac fungi because these are produced, the ascospores produced inside the sac-like asci which arrange in different types of the fruiting bodies called as ascocarps. Now, for example, Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neurospora, etc. So these are some examples of the ascomycetes or members of the ascomycetes. These are the diagrams of mycelium of Rhizopus, sexual reproduction in Rhizopus. This is the sporangia where spores are formed. Sporangiophore, stolon hyphae, and it is known as rhizodial hyphae. It is the suspensor zygospore. It means when two mycelia come in contact with each other, they form the zygospore, where spores are formed. This is the kind of sexual reproduction. This is the septate mycelia or septate mycelium. Here septa are formed just like this. These are the septa. And this is aseptate mycelium. So don't to be confused in the term septate or aseptate. Penicillium, this is the conidiophore and these are the conidia. Vegetative propagation takes place whenever these conidia detach from the parental body and they can grow into the new individual. This is the Aspergillus. Here these are the conidia and this is the conidiophore. This is the unicellular yeast. So these are the some examples. Now, fourth class of kingdom fungi is the Basidiomycetes. These fungi are also known as bracket fungi or puff balls. This is one mark important question. Commonly known forms are mushrooms. It means mushrooms are the commonly known form of this group. Mushroom growing or these Basidiomycetes grow in soil, logs and trees stumps as well as on living plant bodies as parasites. For example, parasitic form of Basidiomycetes is the rust and smut. Mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual spores are not present, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation takes place. Sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy takes place by the fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells which are different in strains or genotypes. Now, meiosis and karyogamy takes place in Basidium producing 4 basidiospores. This is an important phenomenon of this group, produced exogenously on the Basidium which are arranged in fruiting bodies called as basidiocarp. For example, agaricus, that is mushroom, astilago, smut and Puccinia, rust. Now, next class, that is Deuteromycetes. These are also known as imperfect fungi. One more important question. Which group of fungi known as imperfect fungi? That is Deuteromycetes. Because only asexual or vegetative phase of this fungi are known, hence called as imperfect fungi. This is also one mark question. A question कई बार पूछा गया है कि why does the Deuteromycetes also known as imperfect fungi? So answer of is this question, because only asexual or vegetative phase of these fungi are known, hence it is called as imperfect fungi. Now, reproduction only by asexual spores, that is conidia. Mycelium is septate and branched. Some members are saprophytes or parasites, while a large number of them are decomposers and help in mineral cycling. For example, Alternaria, Coletotrichum and Trichoderma, etc. So these are the examples of the Deuteromycetes. Now, another important topic, or this is the important short note, economic importance of fungi. As you know that, just like the other microorganism, just like the protozoans, and other bacteria, fungi also play an important role in the life of human beings, because most of the fungi cause diseases in animals and plants, but few are used as medicine, fermentation and even edible. Now go through the one by one. First of all, disease causing fungus in plants and animals both. That is albugo. It causes white rust in crucifers, and these are the 1 mark very important question in the competitive examinations also. Pythium, dumping off in crucifers. This is the name of disease. Rhizopus, spoilage of the fruits and vegetables and other organic matter. Astilago, smut disease. Coccinia, rust of wheat. गेहूं के ऊपर बाली पर एक ब्लैक कलर का पाउडरी एक सबस्टांस आता है, तो दिस डिसीज नोन है रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट, टेक्स प्लेस बाय पक्सीनिया ग्रेमिनिस. पोलीपोरस डिकम्पोजेस wood. Phytophthora, this is a very important one. Late blight of potato. In the same manner, claviceps, ergot of rye. Alternaria, core disease, early blight of potato. This is very important one. Alternaria and Phytophthora. Phytophthora cause the late blight of potato, while Alternaria cause the early blight of potato. Now, Colletotrichum, this is the red rot of sugarcane. आपने देखा होगा कुछ समय जो शुगरकेन होता है गन्ना, उसके कुछ नोड्स बिल्कुल रेड कलर के हो जाते हैं, तो दिस डिसीज इज कोज ड्यू टू द कोलेटोट्राइकम. वो गन्ने की जो ईल्ड होती है उसको भी इफेक्ट करता है. ट्राइकोफाइटोन, रिंगवर्म इन ह्यूमन. तो दीज आर सम डिसीज कोजिंग फंगस. नाउ सम यूजफुल फंगस. ईस्ट, that is Saccharomyces, and brewers. In bakery industry, it is used to form the dough in making the biscuits and cake, etc. While in brewers, it is used for the fermentation, for making alcohol. Now penicillium, it is used to form the antibiotic. As we know that penicillin is the first antibiotic which is discovered by Alexander Fleming, and it is extracted from the Penicillium notatum fungus. Neurospora, it is used in genetic research, very important one. Morels and mushrooms, both are edible. इनकी सब्जी बनाकर खाई जाती है. तो this is the diagram of the agaricus. It consisting of the piles at its upper part. It also having the gills, stipes and vegetative mycelium. So this is all about the remaining part of classification as well as the economic importance of the fungi. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like this video, you can like,